Sunset Soup Recipe. Greetings, everyone! Soup Formula Recipes provides examples of soup recipes written with the help of the soup formula, first introduced in the book Soup Formula. This information is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. Today, we are making sunset soup. This isn't just a bowl of food. It's a vibrant, plant-forward masterpiece packed with sweet potatoes, black beans, and red lentils. We're using the soup formula to make it, which ensures it's perfectly balanced and nutrient-dense. Let's get started. First, we build our flavor foundation. We're going to unlock those fat-soluble nutrients. I will use a 6-quart Dutch oven over medium heat. We'll start with 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once that's warm, add your 2 large, diced red onions. Sauté those for about 5 minutes until they're soft and translucent. Now, the next step, blooming the spices. Add 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, smoked paprika, and ground cumin, plus salt and pepper to taste. Sauté this for just 60 seconds. This blooms the spices in the fat, making their antioxidants significantly more bioavailable. Next, we move to the simmer phase to extract those minerals and get our texture just right. Add 4 cups of diced sweet potatoes, 3 cups of rinsed black beans, 2 cups of rinsed red lentils, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of rinsed quinoa. Look at those colors. We're getting a whole spectrum of phytonutrients. Pour in 10 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and enough water, about 4 to 6 cups, until the ingredients are covered by about an inch. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover. We're going to let this simmer for 25 to 35 minutes until those sweet potatoes and lentils are perfectly tender. We're almost there. This is where we brighten everything up and preserve those delicate, living nutrients. Turn off the heat entirely. First, stir in the juice of 3 large limes. Think of this as the volume knob for flavor. It really sharpens the profile. Finally, fold in 8 cups of fresh baby spinach. The residual heat will wilt these greens in about 2 minutes without destroying the delicate vitamins like C and K. And there you have it, a beautiful sunset soup. Before you dig in, feel free to top it with some fresh cilantro, diced avocado, toasted pumpkin seeds, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra creamy touch. Enjoy! That's all for now. Thank you for being here and for sharing this time together. The remaining portion of this video is the sunset soup recipe, with this same recipe also available in the description area of this video. Thank you. Journey on.